Here it is, smoking. I mean, it's not like a giant blue cloud or something. It's definitely noticeable. And this is after it's been running for about 5 minutes. As you can see, oops, I got the hood down. Get it up, back out of there. Running really quiet. That's the generator with the water pump drive right behind it, and the breather, it's not puffing out a bunch of smoke, so we know that's not got a lot of blow by. Well, I was going to rebuild the carburetor eventually, but it's not leaking or anything, so good. And the engine doesn't have any leaks. I've run it enough to know that. That's the crazy throttle cable, stock throttle cable that goes around those pulleys. I didn't think they'd do that, but they did. Converted the generator 12 volts as well as 12 volt wiring. That's just a Honda battery. That's all I can get it started with. And I have all the trim for this side. The grill's not in very good shape. It was pretty when I got it, but it's starting to flake off. And the front bumper, the guy threw it away. I put a 1940 Ford bumper on it, and I have the little lenses for this here for both sides, and this is some, it's gonna rub out. I had a car tent that flipped over. The front welting is not in yet, but I put the rear welting in, and I have the floorboards. And the only thing, oh, let's see, let's look at the rust. The only rust I can find in the whole car is right here. And I can't even see it now. No, there's shiny metal there. It's around here. That's the master cylinder. The whole master cylinder is rebuilt. As you can hear, the car's still running. There's that weather eye. I really wanted to get that working and try it out because it's supposed to be really efficient. See, the doors aren't rusted out. See if we can get in the back. There's the other back window and some more rubber for the back window. And one of those universal mirrors here. These are really decent. And this is all the side body trim, and this is the bows for the headliner that's not there. The back windows are good. I had the new quarter windows made, and I had a new windshield made, and I put that in myself. So that's all in, and it didn't put the strip in it yet, but I've got it with the rear view mirror and the brown trim. This car was originally gray before those guys painted it brown. I wish they would have left it gray. And I've got all the trim. It's all stainless, all been buffed. As you can see, the windshield's nice. Put a new one in. All the paint overall is really good. And you'll see I got two different door handles because I misplaced one of them, but I found it again. It was stuck down between the seats. So I have all the door handles, and they'd all been re-chromed. And the trunk hinges were missing when I bought it. But I found a pair, and instead of chroming them, I powder coated them. And then it's got the original lenses, and I couldn't open the trunk without the key. Ooh, a 5-minute video. Awesome. Oh, there's some more smoke. Still registered in California on a non-op, but if you're taking it out of state, you're not going to care. Come on. Yeah. So this is, you'd think there'd be rust in here, but I haven't found any. There's some squirrel nuts. Here's the front. Some more trim there. And then there's a manual, some more parts, there's some more hubcaps. There's the air filter. There's the original visors. There's the Packard wheel. I couldn't get the, I didn't have another Nash wheel. It's just slightly wider. But other than that, it fits. It's the same bolt pattern. There's the front license plate. And so that's the original back bumper with the original overriders, but the chrome is all peeling off. I don't know who chromed up this stuff, but they didn't do very good. Gas tank, I think the gas tank had been out because it looks pretty fresh. Yeah. The car was painted in San Jose by Mako, and they painted it inside and out. And they actually did a really decent job on it. And it's still running. Alright, I'm going to kill it because there's about enough of that. 1940 Nash Lafayette. Here's the ID plate. Here's I'll show you the VIN tag. If nobody knows where the VIN tag is, it's down here on the chassis. I don't want to stick my arm in there. That's it down there. I'm going to focus in. There we go. Rivet it on there. Where the VIN tag is. That's it. 1940 Nash Lafayette.